Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy USDT on your Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, what we want to do is open up your Trust Wallet as you normally would, and then make sure to log in. Now from here, to purchase USDT, we need to go to the search bar and then type in USDT. And there it is there, the top result, USDT, Tether USDT. So I'm going to go with that. Now from here, we need to click on the buy button. And from here, it's going to automatically have it in USD. So if we want to swap this to a different currency, we can just click on the flag and then choose which currency you want to buy USDT in. I'm just going to leave US dollars. So if I want to purchase $150 worth of USDT, I can leave it like that. If I want to do, say, 100. And then it'll say pay with, so I'm going to be using my credit card, but to change it, click into it. And then where it says pay with, click on the drop down menu. I've got a few different options. We can use P2P, Google Pay, digital wallet, bank transfer. So if I want to do P2P, I'll click on that and it'll say provider, Binance Connect. So I've got an account with Binance Connect, so I can use that. And then I'm going to click on that provider. And now it will say buy with P2P, PTP. And now it's going to take me over to Binance. I'm going to make sure to log in here, and then I'm going to continue with my purchasing.